Cooking ampala tayo, ampalayang ulam for tonight. Ayan, lagay with egg. Ayan, and with egg, guys. Ayan. Okay, cooking, guys. Cooking, guys. Tayo, guys, ng ampalaya. O, more egg. Pwede pa? Alsiminay. Galagyan natin ng gulay dyan. Cooking tayo, guys. Sarap ng ating gulay na ampalaya. Yan to. Okay, guys. Yan lang mga dong, mga dang. Ang ating ulam for tonight. And pritong isda. Hashtag pinigang. O, diba? Sarap yan, guys. Ako ang nagluto kasi yan. Okay, thank you for watching sa ating ampalaya. Ginisang ampalaya, guys. Okay. Thank you.